Here you can see a running batch, time series data with measured values. And there's a critical time range for the operators. They have to decide for parameters. But how do they do that? They use their experience and they are guessing the further course. But what if we can look into the future? And that's what our software does. We're using AI and predict the further course of the process. And therefore we can also propose parameters. And the combination of both will be used so the operator can make decisions before they have to be made. And how do we do that? In the middle of the process, we take the existing measured values as an input for the AI. And now, instead of guessing and experience, the operators can combine their experience with the prediction. What other functionalities can the software provide to you? First, while the batch is running, we apply real-time analysis. That means that we compare the prediction we made in the process against limits you earlier defined. For example, if parameters are out of spec. And after the batch is finished, the optimal course and parameters can be calculated. And then, in hindsight, we evaluate the optimum with the prediction of the AI, and that way we can learn from the past. So, what are the results and benefits for you? Our prediction will result in yield or quality increase, or both, based on what we want to achieve. And with the real-time analysis, we will make sure that you adhere to the critical process limits you earlier defined. Because we check the current process parameters against them constantly. You can use reporting and review for process insights in hindsight, which can be used for optimization of future production processes. A few words about security and qualification. We have an active project which resulted in yield increase for a chromatography process. The software itself is running in the cloud or on-premise, based on what you need. And as known from Pharma, the software follows GMP guidelines, and therefore it brings quality assurance. And furthermore, we are part of validation groups for AI, so we're actively shaping recent trends in this area. And AI with Pharma is new for everyone, and right now we already have these new tools built into our software. So you can be the first to adhere to the new methods from these groups.